Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear aspirants. After solutions of the maths portion of CSS GSA 2021, in the previous video, I presented the solutions to GSA paper 2020, question 6. In this video, solution to question 7 of GSA paper 2020 will be presented. Part A of question 7 can be solved by comparison of ratios. However, there is another simple way to solve the question. Let's see what it is. 5 friends having different weights: Mushtaq, Parvez, Ihsan, Umair and Salim. The given information is that Mushtaq weighs 4 times as much as Parvez. Now the key here to solve this question is first to assume what will be the weight of Mushtaq, and then putting the values we can work out the weight of every individual in the question. We put this information in a mathematical expression that Mushtaq weighs 4 times as much as Parvez, then it can be written as the weight of Mushtaq will be equal to 4 multiplied by weight of Parvez. Now let's assume that Mushtaq's weight is equal to 100 units. If the weight of Mushtaq is 100 units, then 100 will be equal to 4 multiplied by the weight of Parvez, substituting the weight of Mushtaq in this equation. Dividing both sides by 4, this 4 will be cancelled out, and the weight of Parvez will be 100 divided by 4, or 25 units. Then the additional information given is that Parvez weighs double than Ihsan. Then the weight of Parvez will be equal to 2 multiplied by the weight of Ihsan. But the weight of Parvez that we have just calculated is 25. So putting the values, 25 will be equal to 2 into the weight of Ihsan. Solving for the weight of Ihsan, 25 will be divided by 2, and the result is 12.5 units, which is the weight of Ihsan. Now the additional information in the question is Ihsan weighs half as much as Umair. So mathematically this can be written as Ihsan is equal to, the weight of Ihsan is equal to half multiplied by the weight of Umair. Now putting the values for Ihsan weight, which is 12.5, the equation becomes 12.5 is equal to half that of the weight of Umair. If 12.5 is half that the weight of Umair, then the weight of Umair will be double of 12.5. Multiplying both sides by 2, this numerator and denominator will be cancelled out by each other, and 12.5 into 2 will be the weight of Umair, which is 25 units. Now it has been given in the question that Umair weighs half as much as Salim. So again the similar equation, the weight of Umair will be equal to half that of the weight of Salim. Now substituting the weight of Umair in this equation, 25 will be equal to half the weight of Salim, and multiplying both sides by 2, the weight of Salim will become 25 into 2, which is 50. Now we have calculated the weight of all of the friends, assuming that the weight of Mushtaq will be 100 units. Then the weight of Parvez will be 25, Ihsan 12.5, Umair 25, and Salim will be equal to 50 units. Before I answer each and every part of the question, let me arrange the calculated numbers in descending order. Descending order means in the order they decrease, the weight are decreasing downwards. So if the weight of Mushtaq is 100 units, then these are the weights of other friends. So who is the heaviest among the 5 friends? Obviously it is Mushtaq. Who is the second heaviest? It is Salim. Who has the lowest weight? Ehsan is having the lowest weight, who are equal in weights. The Pervez and Umair, they both have weight as 25. So Pervez and Umair have equal weights. And the fifth part asks us to mention the descending order. So if we put these numbers in order, then Mushtaq will be ranked first, Salim will be the second, Pervez and Umair both will be ranked third because they have equal weights, and Ehsan will be ranked as fourth. So this was the required solution of part A of question 7. If you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video in which I will be solving part B of question 7. Thanks for watching.